What's happening here is we have a simplify and factorize fully, okay? And we have these questions here. Now simplify is you multiply it out, and factorize means you put it back into fractions, okay? So what we're going to do here is question part 4, so 32 part 4, okay? Any suggestions on what this is here? So 7x gets multiplied by 2, you get what? 14x. 7x gets multiplied by, oh sorry, skip the first one, 7x with 7x, 49x squared, and then 2 by 7x minus 14x minus 2 by plus 2 minus 4. What happens to the centre? Middle? Cancels off. Minus 14x plus 14x. Then you're left with 49x squared minus 4. Okay? And then take away. We got to do this first. What number is present in here? There's a minus 1 in there. Okay? But we're going to multiply it out first. 5y times 5y. 25y squared. 5y by plus 2. 10y. Minus 2 by 5y. Minus 10y. And then minus 2 by plus 2. Minus 4. Okay, so it's minus 4. The 10y's cancel, don't they? And what we learn is this is minus 25y squared minus 4. Once again, the minus 1's still there. What happens when you multiply in by that minus 1? Minus 25y squared plus 4. And what happens to the two of them? The y's, add 4's them in. Cancel. Primary class, Owen. Can you tell me how to do this one here? I've done the simplify part. I'm on to the factorize fully. Any ideas?
You 7x squared.
7x squared. Those numbers, lads, 49 and 25, no coincidence. And after that, on 5y, 2b squared. Yeah. Then what's the answer then?
7x minus 5y.
7x minus 5y, 7x plus 5y. Everybody happy with that? Think you could do it? Okay guys, these ones here are reasonably difficult. Okay? So, what I'm going to ask you to do is this one, I'll do this one here for you. Okay? Can anybody tell me, what is x plus a to be cubed? It's x plus a by x plus a by x plus a. You named it, x plus a. Multiply any two you want. I can multiply these two by each other. Okay? Do you understand what I'm doing? X squared plus ax plus another ax plus a squared. Okay? And then that's x squared plus 2ax plus a squared. Similarly, what do you think this answer would be then? What do you think the two of them would be? Same thing, except it's minus 2ax. So x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. And then you have to multiply them both by the third one, don't you? Now I have a way of doing this. I'm going to move this one back to the front. Am I allowed to do that? Why? Because I'm multiplying, and 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. If I shift the 4 to the front, 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is the same thing. Okay? I'm going to shift this to the front. X minus a into x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. Anybody know how to multiply this out? Okay, let's try this out. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. I have 6 things to multiply there. Everybody see them? Yeah? So what about the first one? X cubed, yeah? Plus, anybody? 2ax squared plus a squared x. Can you see that? Plus green one is ax squared. A by 2a. 2a squared x. And finally a by a squared. A cubed. Plus, we're going to have to do the same thing here, aren't we? 3 red lines and 3 green lines. Red line, 1, 2, 3. Green line, 1, 2, 3. So let's try this one out then. Need to write a bit smaller. It's going to be a cubed, or say x cubed, minus 2ax squared, plus a squared x, minus ax squared, minus 2a squared x, minus a cubed. Now what cancels? Now we'll see what cancels. Robert, what cancels? Anything else?
2ax squared.
Okay. Anything else?
There's another 2ax squared.
2a squared x.
Oh yeah.
2a squared x. What's left now? Can we tell me what's left now? Come on, lads.
A squared x.
Sorry? Okay, so what's left then?
X squared plus a squared x.
So x cubed plus x cubed is 2x cubed. Yeah? A squared x and a squared x gives you. Is there anything we can take out there of the two of them? 2x into there you go. And you can't actually do anything with that. Okay? Now, that's 32 done. In number 33. Or that's 34. Which one's 33? Alright guys, we already did 33, excuse me, so I'm on 34. Okay, clear page. Now, does anyone remember how to do fractions? If we do one of these, I've done them all here. It's pretty easy. Okay, so anybody remember how to do a simple fraction like 2/3 plus, I don't know, 3/4? Anybody remember how to do this? Without the calculator. This one by this one, and this one by this one. Or find the common denominator, yeah? 4 gets multiplied by 2 becomes 8. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. All divided by 3 multiplied by 4, 12. Do you see that pattern? 4 goes to the 2, 3 goes to 3, then 3 multiplies by 4. We're going to do the same pattern here. What happens when we multiply this one up here, this one up here, and down there? We're going to get 1 multiplied by 2x plus 3. We're going to have a minus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 3. And then that's all going to be over 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. Is that correct?
It'll be minus 2x.
What do you mean?
It's not minus 2x. Minus 2.
It will be once I multiply it by the minus 1.
No, the bottom.
No, 2x minus 3 is here and 2x plus 3. You can see the denominator here and here. Okay? Now multiply it out. 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus another 3. On the bottom you're going to get this difference of 2 squares, isn't it? Do you see that? But anyways, if you don't, it's going to be 4x squared minus 6x plus 6x minus 9. They cancel. And your answer is going to be 6 divided by 4x squared minus 9. That's your answer. That's how you do number 34. Okay, For homework, what page are we on? Page? Sorry? So guys, on page 7, what I want you to do for the next day is I'd like you to do okay, what I'd like you to do is question 34. I'd also like you to do question 32. Just 32 and 34 for tomorrow. Okay guys.